Bowling is enjoyable. It's better than books, better than school and books. Yeah, much cheap.
So how often do you come here?
Once a week. Once a week.
We do come here because it's a very good place to come here and to just talk about the friends and all that. Our children can play and we can talk about with our friends.
Thank you so much.
This is a new game altogether, a new field. People wanted, since a long time people wanted some change, some alternate to the regular, monotonous entertainment. And moreover, this is a Asian game, medal game, and it's a Commonwealth medal game. So it's a sports. It's not only fun. So it's fun, entertainment, sports all combined together, where the people find it.